Hare Krishna. Jai Jai Radha Raman Hari Bol. 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 So I welcome you today to this beautiful Radha Raman, who's though very tiny in size, but he's super attractive. And if you look at him once, you will definitely lose your heart in Vrindavan. So this is Shri Radha Raman temple, and it's a very unique story again. So actually, Gopal Bhatta Goswami, one of the Shad Goswami or 6 Goswamis, once he was taking bath in Gandaki river in Nepal. And while taking bath, he was taking out the water with his kamandalu. And every time he would take out water, some shilas would come, some black stones would come. And this happened thrice. And he looked at them, and that was actually the original Shaligram Shila. So actually in the entire world, that Gandaki river is the river where we find these original Shaligram Shila. And since they came thrice, so Gopal Bhatt Goswami decided that that is what Lord's plan is. So he picked up some shilas with him and he brought it back to Vrindavan and he started worshipping these shilas. So during the daytime he would worship, night time he would pack all these shila in a cloth bag and hang it on a tree. So that is how he was continuing. But deep within he had this desire that the other Goswamis, they are having their own deities. And deities, we have one opportunity to actually personally bathe Krishna, dress Krishna, buy different type of clothes for him, different turbans and shingar and all. So he was not having this shingar opportunity. So he had that desire and he would think ki only if I had a deity of Krishna. So one night he slept and the morning, boom, one of these shilas, the deities had manifested. 10-inch Radharaman deities. Beautiful, exquisite, attractive, with a smile face. So this deity had come and people from all over Vrindavan were coming to have darshan of these deities. So even till now, this Radharaman deities actually at the back, if we see, so we can figure it out that he has come out from the Shila. So back portion is like the Shila. So this is how this beautiful deity has manifested from the Shila on the desire of his devotee Gopal Bhatta Goswami. Hare Krishna.